Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing 3 looks and reviewing the Blush Trap and Paulina palette. Now this palette came out, I want to say over 6 months ago, and it sold out and it was limited edition, but they decided to re-release I think about 500 more palettes, and I just had to snag it up. Unfortunately, it just right around the time that I discovered Paulina. The palette was sold out after the first release, and I was really sad because I really wanted this palette. I love this color scheme, but I also knew right from the first video I watched from Paulina that I was going to love her channel. I love her personality. She really tells it how it is, and she creates some of the most beautiful looks, and she's just super fun to watch. And of course I'm going to put her channel down below in the description box just in case you're not already watching her, but I'm pretty sure that you already know about her if you're watching this video. So I was thinking in the true Paulina style we would have a word of the day. I don't think most of you know unless you're my Instagram, but I'm originally from the Czech Republic. I moved to the USA when I was turning 10 years old, so I was thinking like Paulina does a Swedish word of the day, I would do a Czech word of the day. And it's actually going to be 2 words, which is beautiful palette, and that in Czech is krásná paletka. Krásná paletka. So now let's get into the palette. This is what it looks like. I love this graphic of Paulina on the cover. I love the purple and the green, and it kind of hints on what's inside. And then you open it and we have some greens, some purples, and some shimmers, and I really love this balance of mattes and shimmers. I do prefer my palettes to have mostly matte shades, and I love that all the shades are named after something that's personal to her. So we've got Friends, Siggy, which is her little chihuahua, and we have Salma here, which is the name of the owner of Blush Trap actually, and then Paulina. So for me this color scheme is just really perfect. I love purple and I love green, so to have them in one palette is absolute perfection. So if you'd like to see the looks I created, please keep watching.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call
And those are the 3 looks that I created. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And I would just like to thank Blush Tribe and Paulina for re-releasing this palette so I could get my little grubby hands on it, because I was so excited to support Paulina and also Blush Tribe, who is an indie company. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.